Hi everyone. I hope you all are excited to magically change your writing just within few hours. As conveyed in the previous video, I hope you all are ready with your 4 rules book, or what you call as the red and blue line book. Practice all the patterns and strokes well, and kindly like and subscribe our channel to continue with the next part. Slant line starting from the base line and going up till the red line. You will be making 4 such strokes. Okay, what you have to take care of is all of these lines should be at same angle. If you can see, all of these are at same angle. I mean, they are in the same parallel direction. Moreover, they are equally spaced. If you observe, they are equally spaced out here. Slant line upside down. Slant line upside down. Please do it in the direction as it is suggested. Okay, so you're going to go from upside down, and secondly you have to ensure the same thing again, that they are equally spaced at same angles, and also try that the lines are not trembling, because when you are extra cautious and you are moving the pencil too slow or with care, the line starts to tremble. So that is the way you can avoid it. Be little faster in your strokes. Okay, so this way, upside down. Just practice it as many times till the time you get fluency. But what I will ensure from your side is at least you make 4 strokes which are equally spaced and look identical. The next stroke is horizontal flat line. 2, 3 and 4. You can practice it on the blue line, which is also called as a top line, or you can try to make 4 strokes in between the 2 lines. This will give you a judgment of space, how to arrange it between the 2 blue lines. If you are making it equally spaced, well and good. Though this one is not very much mandatory, and at least ensure that you are able to make this part, okay, which is on the line. So please ensure that in this case you are not going, like making lines up and down, or this way or this way. So just ensure that you don't make mistakes here. Okay, 4th one is a straight line. As I told you earlier, try to move the pencil fast so that the lines do not tremble. And I myself tried it here, and I felt the lines went more smoother this time. Okay, so again these should be equally spaced, and just ensure that they are not extended above the red line, neither below the blue lines. So this will ensure or help you with the same size of letter. This is going to help you with maintaining the size of the letters. A slant line and then a straight line coming down. I'll just repeat. This is the direction, slant line up and straight line coming down. I'll just repeat 4 such patterns. Slant line, straight line down. Slant line, straight line down. You can start making it along with me so that you also finish the course simultaneously. So when you're watching, try to make it at the same time. You can pause the video and try to complete your patterns and then switch over the next one. So don't do it the opposite way. Just ensure that, and same thing in all the places, okay, that equally spaced and not going beyond or above the blue line or the red line. Okay, the next pattern is straight line and then a slant line. I repeat, straight line, then a slant line, straight line, then a slant line, straight line, then a slant line. Making at least 4 identical patterns is mandatory. Mandatory means necessary. Okay, so if you're not able to achieve, you made 4 patterns but they are not looking the same. For example, you make it like this and then like this, then like this, or like this, means they are not looking identical in this case. So this is not acceptable. The next pattern is a curve C pattern. Just observe on screen how it is being made. Curve, straight line, curve and stop. If you observe, these 2 dots are just opposite each other. Okay, so ensure making the same one. So you have to observe, most important part is these points should be opposite to each other. The journal mistake where children usually land up with wrong formation is, this goes ahead and behind, or this might go ahead and this one behind. So you'll observe that these points are not opposite to each other. Okay, moreover, just ensure that it is touching the baseline at very small point or for a small time. It shouldn't be extended for long time on the baseline. Okay, like this one, it shouldn't be extended for such long time. The next pattern is just the opposite of what we made earlier. Just the opposite way. 4 identical patterns. Here see, it's gone a bit slightly down the line. So even this needs to be avoided. So if you are such a keen observer on very small things also, and if you make perfection at this very level, it will be very easy for you to have a better version of your writing as soon as possible. Next one is just a 0 or a no. I would say it is not a round shape, it's an oval shape. Okay, again the size of the oval should be same, not big and small, at same distance. I have tried to make the maximum I can. Please do not make a stretched O, this is wrong. And also these ends, can you see they are not joining each other perfectly? Don't land up with this also, even this is a wrong pattern. And this is, it's kind of pointed on this side and pointed on the other side as well. Okay, neither you're going to make it like, something like this. So just avoid that. It should be a perfect circle and of equal size. This will start from the baseline just till the blue line and come down. Okay, looks like an M, but we are not making an M now. We are just making a pattern, which is a double curve, I would say. Or you need to ensure that both the points are at the same level. Basically, if you just try to ensure that they are reaching the blue line, there will be no mistake. Okay, and these are of course at the same level. You can observe all the 3 points here too, they are at the same level. And one loop shouldn't be small and the other loop bigger, no. So just try to avoid that. A W, but it is not. I would say it is just a pattern where you're making 2 U loops. Okay, this is all going to give you very good judgment about spacing, height. Constantly writing over and over again will give your hand muscles an idea that where it has to stop. Like see, right now it has gone a bit above, it is not supposed to go out. Okay, so again the same thing, 4 identical ones, no big and small curve, that's it. So let's switch over to the last pattern for the day. So you will make a slant line up till the red line, take a curve and come down. Just check that I'm crossing it at this point, and this point is between the 2 blue lines. Okay, I'll repeat it again and you're going to continue this. Slant line up, curve and cross. Please observe again here the crossing point is just between the 2 blue lines. Okay, so I will continue this. Do is they cross it here itself. If the crossing point is at the blue line, you won't get a straight pattern. Please observe. Or if it is up and down, okay, you will land up with a straight L pattern and not slant. Can you see there is a slant look here? So just ensure that your crossing point is very, very important here. Okay, moreover, the loops shouldn't be getting too extended or fatter ones. Thin loops always look better. That's all for today. To watch the videos in series, kindly like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, happy writing!